Hi, this is Ken Butts from Datacolor. It's a pleasure for us to be with AATCC again this year at the International Conference and Exhibition in Greenville. This conference we're bringing some of our familiar products, including the Datacolor 800 and some new products, the Datacolor Spectravision as well as Color Reader Pro. Those products have been out for a couple of years, and we're here to show how they can help our retail apparel customers measure more of the unmeasurables. So with Datacolor Spectravision, we're able to measure traditionally non-measurable materials such as lace, heather, anything that's too small to measure on the traditional spectrophotometer or that has multiple colors. But in addition to Spectravision, we're also introducing here at AATCC our Color Lifecycle Management suite of products. Now, Color Lifecycle Management includes Color Hub as well as Datacolor Certified. So the Color Hub product is an online on-demand system to allow suppliers to share their production data with their customers. So traditionally, after the lab dipping process, most of the quality control responsibilities have been left up to the manufacturer with very little involvement from their retail apparel customer. But what we find is that customers are very interested in knowing about the quality of the products they're purchasing. So with Datacolor Color Hub, suppliers are able to measure every production roll and automatically upload that data to an online on-demand web database. So now customers, wherever they are able to see the production data being measured by their suppliers. And that gives them the ability to respond more quickly to any types of problems they might be having, to proactively identify concerns and ensure that the right products are getting to the consumer at the right time. It also allows them to do process analysis that they've never been able to do before. But as a part of that, we want to ensure that the quality of the data being uploaded by the suppliers is actually reliable. And we're going to do that with our Datacolor Certified program. With the Datacolor Certified program, suppliers are evaluated for their ability to not only visually assess materials, but also to instrumentally assess materials. Do they have the right products? Do they have their colorists trained? Are they following the right guidelines from their customers? So those products together are going to really enhance the ability of the retail apparel customer to be sure that they're getting the right products in the store at the right time. So thank you. Those are the products that we're sharing this year at the AATCC International Conference and Exhibition in Greenville. Thank you.